gotta do a ponytail.
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
Listen, mocha spice and everything, nice. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this glueless kinky edges wig install that requires little to no effort. Hold up, wait a minute. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHerHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This should be a really easy glueless install because I've already done this wig before. However, on the first wig, I had the 3B, 3C edges or whatever. This one has the kinky 4A, 4C edges. The curl pattern is still gorgeous. I love how this looks out the pack. Like these look amazing. I'm not gonna wash my unit right now because you know I got things to do, and AKA take a nap. But I'm gonna do a quick little spritzing. So I'm gonna use my dry shampoo and my water to get that smell out just real quick so it's not all funky around my face. It does come with a slight chemical smell, so we want to go ahead and get that out as much as possible. But make sure you go ahead and wash your wigs, okay? Wash every single one every single time, okay? There. Come on. Take my detangler brush. I'm just gonna comb the curls through. Y'all see that? They combing right on through. No tangling. Got a little snags at the end, but nothing crazy. So that's always a good thing. The less tangles you have, the less shedding you will have as well. Come on, bush. Okay. Let me use my oil around my edges. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. Can't waste that product. This costs too much. Get a little massage. Put on the wig cap. These big wig caps are my big head best friend. I love that. I love that. For the lace, I don't think I need to tint it under the lace because it does kind of have like a brown tint to it. I do want to check out the elastic band with this unit. It's not a thick elastic band, but it does have the hooks on it. So we'll see, we'll see how that works out. It comes with the holes already pre-sewn into the wig. So you can just loop your wig cap or wig cap, wig grip. My shoulders, god dang. The holes are a little tight. I feel like I'm threading a daggone needle. What is going? Child, I'm going cross-eyed trying to do this. It literally took me 30 seconds to put the first one in there. I mean, maybe that's a good thing because it won't, it won't just easily slip out, but sheesh. Is this on backwards? This is on backwards. God dang it. I'm gonna leave on the adjustable straps in the back and just put it on how she is and see how she fitting, okay? So put this on, okay. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that's a nice fit. Okay. Oh, I had spit them. The hairline is pretty blocky on me, so I gotta kind of finagle that around to get the look that I want. And if you don't recall the other one, the 3B, 3C edges or whatever, they're a lot longer than this, okay? It definitely has a slightly different texture than the actual wig, but I'm gonna still do what needs to be done to get it to work for me. I'm just gonna take my tweezers and get some of that hair out because it's a little blocky in some areas, more than I would like it to be. So I'm just going to tweeze it out like this. That's what we are going to do. Those little hairs are, those little hairs are funny to me. I don't know. Let me just pull this up. Oh, a little ponytail. Look at that. Okay. It's a little claw clip and clip it up. Let me scoot down some. There we go. Get the lace cut off in 3. Get the razor. The lace is looking really good on my skin. All right, now I need to bring this down like this. Yeah, I think this is gonna be cute, y'all. I think it's gonna be cute. So now I'm gonna use a Nairobi mousse around my hairline because I want a glueless look. So I wanna make sure I use 2 big pumps on each side, maybe a little bit more. We're gonna work this in. Like that, and then we're gonna swirl it around, okay? This is where you get your hairline together, okay? The swirling action. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Just move your hands in circles, okay? Swirl it around. You wanna get that hairline moving, okay? Get it moving like this. This will come up a little bit more. There we go. Melt that lace in, mold that hairline, get them hairs together, bring the sides down some. All right, so then we're going to wrap it down. Okay, and just wrap it in place. All right, now for the mousse, this is gonna be real easy. Y'all have seen me do this numerous times. Putting it all over, rub it all in. Am I doing this without glasses? I sure am. Ooh, child. Ooh, very pretty. Let me put my glasses on. Talking about some, ooh, girl, you can't even see it. Comb it down, like so. Work them around your finger. Clump the curls together. Got a little shedding, but not too much. What's done on one side has to be done on the other. Clump these curls. The roots are still straight on this one too, but you know, we'll make it work. Unhand me, golly. I'm gonna let these sit while I do my makeup, and then we will come back and diffuse this hair. Okay, so the hair is still a little damp, but before I finish up the rest of the fluffing, let's take off this band and see what we're working with. Okay, I can see the potential. Just gotta do a little moving around here. You can't have it too far away from the hairline. So I'm just gonna brush them back like that. See how we did that? And put my glasses over the lace, just to hold them sides down. If you don't have glasses or you don't wear glasses, use your bobby pins. Hold up. How my sides are looking. I mean, I feel like I could leave it for right now because it's not bothering me as much, but it could potentially be a little bit too short. I'm gonna use my blow dryer on cool, take off the diffuser, and just blow dry through the hair. Really good. I like this a lot more than I did the other one, because the other one, like I said, had longer hairs and it didn't flow the way that I wanted them to, but I still was able to style it for me. This one is perfect how it looks on me. The sides may be a little too short. I left all the lace on the wig. I just cut off right in front of the hairline. For my look, I would definitely want the longer hairs to start a little bit further up when it comes to like right around this area. Over here on the sides by the ear, that's fine. You can have the shorter pieces, but gradually kind of work in the longer pieces so it's not just a chunk of short hair across the hairline. That looks like breakage. So we don't want breakage. We want it to look as natural as possible. And y'all know I normally like my curls to go straight to the root, or at least have like a waviness to them. This kind of has like a waviness, but it's still pretty straight for my taste, but I don't feel like this looks bad. I don't feel like it looks bad at all. So shocking. I'm really not mad at that. That looks really good. And it's still glueless, okay? Still no glue on my hairline whatsoever. It's very secure on my head thanks to that elastic band and the adjustable straps in the back. So big head gang gang, yes. Okay, it actually fits my head really nicely. Well, whoop-de-doo, we got another one. Ooh, I'm sweating. This is gorgeous, y'all. Let me use a little bit of my knot eraser really quick in my parting space. Hold up. Ooh, child, where's my brush? Put a little bit right there in the front, just to kind of meet back to that. There we go, there we go. Take my paper towel here and just dab it. I don't want it to be, you know, cakey or nothing. I like this one on me. This one, even though the edges are a different texture than the actual curls, it still flows really well. Like, I love this. I love it. I really do love how this looks on me. When I was doing my little slow motion situation, I did like a little pin back like this. Let me see. Is that what I want? That's not how I want it. Maybe it was that. Is that what it was? I think that's what it was. Ow. Just gonna pin it back like that. I don't even think that's even, is it? Maybe not, I don't know. The hairline right here is okay. Okay, that's not bad. I like that. OMG, come closer, okay? Fill this in a little bit more, all right? Make this a little bit longer right in here. And I feel like this will be perfect. It will be perfect. The curls are gorgeous. I love how this looks. I really do. You can even do like an upstyle with it. Let me see. I got these joints from Amazon. I don't know if this is gonna hold the hair. It may be a little bit too flimsy. How you do this? I haven't used these in so long. Don't you? Yeah, there you go. Leave a little hair down in the front. Even a little ponytail like that would be cute. Let me see if this will work. I don't know if it's gonna work. It might be too small. We gonna find out together. Oh, maybe not. Oh, wait a minute. It's supposed to snap in, right? Like that. I kind of want it a little bit higher, but you know, that's cute too, like this. Pull it all up. I can't find the back piece, hold up. Okay, that is pulling a little bit more than I need her to. I'm gonna have to bobby pin the back down. Like so. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Pull the sides out a little bit. How's she looking? She look all right? For the most part, I think. Oh, this is cute, y'all. It's like a little waterfall. I mean, you know I gotta do a ponytail. These little clips, yeah. Link to my Amazon store under Wig Essentials, okay? Go ahead and check those out. And it's still glueless, y'all, okay? Just use your bobby pins if you need to, but that elastic band on there is pretty sturdy. It's not a super thick joint, but it's a pretty nice one to keep this wig in place. It's still a little damp, so I do expect the hair to get a little bit more fluffier, but I do like how it's looking right now. So you know, there's that. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to 𝐒𝐚GHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.